we're gonna get it out like this, then roll it. Then we're gonna put brown sugar in there. Then we're gonna roll it up. Then we're gonna slice it with dental floss, like this. First, we're gonna roll it. So we're gonna shape it as a rectangle first, like this. Pat it out. Like that. Now we made some filling, which is softened butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon all mixed together. Now we're gonna put it on there like that. Like that. Also use maybe a paintbrush. Make sure it's all covered up. It's okay if there's just a little bit of white spaces, but you mostly want it a lot covered up. But way sugary. More sugar. Way. And if you want, you can sprinkle some raisins or some other fruits like blueberries. Blueberries, raisins, but it has to be small fruit. It can't be big. Nuts in there, and those are small fruits, like I said. Now we're gonna roll it. Very we're gonna score it. Remember what score means? Remember in the chocolate fudge video when I said scoring helps you keep track of what you're doing, because if you make a mistake and you do like, oh, I messed up, it's kind of wiggly, then scoring is the best thing to do because it helps you keep track of what you are doing. Finally, we're gonna have this dental floss, and then we're gonna slice it. Probably like that much. So this is how you're gonna, if you want to, you can do the floss trick, or you can just use a knife, but I prefer the floss trick. That's really cool. It's really cool. It's a cool trick. Okay, so you have to line it up like this. See if it's lined up. That's lined up. Now we're gonna cross it over, cross one end to the other end over like a shoe, but don't put the other one under. Then you're gonna pull like that. Ah! Look at this. That doesn't look that good. That doesn't look that beautiful. But that was just the corner. We're starting it. Okay, there. Then. That's what we're talking. Look at that. Now that we did all of them, we're gonna let it rise for about 1.5 hours and put saran wrap on the top of this. This is really long, but it's worth it. Now, once this dough is risen, we're gonna paint it, not like with real paint, like dyed paint and color paint. Paint it with butter, like that. Once this painting is done, we're gonna put it in the oven for 200 degrees Celsius and 30 minutes, okay? Now we're gonna put it in the oven. That is delicious. It's very sweet and very good. It has really good flavor and just tastes like a cinnamon roll. Thanks for joining me, everybody. Join me again on Harvey's Kitchen.